Local flap technique for soft tissue defect in compound leg injuries. A reliable single-stage coverage. By Raghavendra Sad and Vishnu Pal. Objective: the aim of this study is to evaluate the feasibility of local flaps, fasciocutaneous, muscle and musculocutaneous flaps, in the management of soft tissue defects with exposed fracture bone fragments in compound injuries of the lower extremity as a single-stage procedure, particularly the leg. To lay down clear and concise guidelines, merits and demerits of this technique for orthopedic surgeons in trauma wards. Methods: in traumatized lower extremity having a soft tissue defect and an exposed bone with or without associated fractures. Local flaps provide a reliable single-stage procedure for coverage of lower extremity soft tissue defects. The traumatized limb selected in which the wound was found to be preferably in the upper 1-3 RD, middle 1-3 RD and uppermost part of the lower 1-3 RD leg due to easy accessibility and placement of the local flap to these areas. All flaps, i.e. fasciocutaneous, musculocutaneous and local muscle flaps were undertaken as a delayed procedure after careful evaluation of traumatized limb by repeated dressings, debridement and control of infection. Daily assessment of the wound for infection and motor and sensory and vascular status was made. Definitive wound coverage was done by using a selected technique in a routine operation. At the same time, a split-thickness skin graft was applied on muscle pedicle flap or the defective area created by the transposition of fasciocutaneous, musculocutaneous flap. Fixation of bone was done before applying the technique. Results: stable wound coverage was achieved in all patients. The excellent result was obtained in muscle and musculocutaneous flaps, while the good result was obtained in 10% of cases of fasciocutaneous flaps. In a study, longest duration follow-up was 14 months and shortest was 3 months. 20 cases of traumatized lower extremities, particularly the leg, which required local flap coverage for soft tissue defects with exposed bone fragments. Conclusion: stable coverage can be achieved by flap techniques using fasciocutaneous, muscle or musculocutaneous flaps. Coverage of exposed cortical bones, tendons and major vessels. Inadequate control of infection can be achieved by muscle and musculocutaneous flap in post-traumatized limb. Fasciocutaneous flap, Ponton super flap, is very useful in the repair of soft tissue defects as it is a much simpler, easy to design and construct. Large flaps are safe due to good circulations, require less time without any functional loss. Post-operative management is simple for both patient and staff. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.